Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the color of the clothes in an image. So first we will import the first image in Photoshop. Then go to select and click on color range. And take the eyedropper tool and click on the area where you want to change the color. So here I have clicked on the t-shirt, and as you can see on color range panel, the area which is painted white will be selected and the area which is painted black is not selected. Now hold the shift key and click the area with the eyedropper tool where you want to select the area which is left. You can also adjust the selection by increasing or decreasing the fuzziness. Once you get satisfied, click on OK. Now we will refine the selection. Select the lasso tool. Remove the unwanted area, hold the Alt key and select the area. Remove the unwanted area, hold the Alt key and select the area. This will remove unwanted selection. Note if you did not hold Alt key, selection will get vanish. So don't forget to hold Alt key. After refining the selection, hit the Layer Mask option. Layer Mask will help us to retrieve the deleted area if needed. Now go to the Layer panel and on the bottom corner we will see Adjustment Layer option. Now click on the Adjustment Layer option and click on Hue and Saturation. Right-click on the Hue and Saturation Adjustment Layer. Click on Create Clipping Mask. This would create a clipping mask of human saturation. Now click on the Adjustment Layer option and click on Hue and Saturation option. Right-click on the Hue and Saturation Adjustment Layer and click on Create Clipping Mask. This will create a clipping mask of layer. By creating a clipping mask, the layer which is beneath the Hue Saturation layer would only affect that layer and our whole image would not be affected. Now click on the Hue Saturation layer and go to its properties. And tick the Colorize option. Now change the color of the image according to your need. Now again go to the Adjustment Layers and click on Color Balance. Then do the same, right-click on the image and click on Create Clipping Mask. This will help us to refine our color. Adjust the sliders according to your need. Once you are okay with your work, hit Ctrl plus Shift plus Alt plus E. This will merge all the layers and give us an output. Right-click on the image and convert the image to the Smart Object. Go to Filters and click on Camera Raw Filter. Now we will do some retouching to our image that we have created. You can change color of any object such as walls, objects, cars, people, etc. So after retouching of our image, here's the final result of the image we have created, and I will also put this result on my Instagram page. The link will be in the description of my Instagram account. You can go and follow me there. I always post some of my old and new projects there. All the stocks will be available in the description box. So, I hope this video helped you a lot. If this video gets 100 likes, I will make the PSD file public for you guys. And if you want to know how to apply a specific pattern to clothes, I will also make the tutorial on that topic when I will reach 100 subscribers. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on all notifications, so that you will not miss any video from me. Thanks.